Hi, my name's Dave. I'm a custom audio and video installer for abt-electronics and appliances in Glenview, Illinois. And today I'm going to demonstrate how to hang a 50-inch TV on a wall. We've got to start with some basic hand tools. We've got a level, a stud finder, tape measure, the appropriate fasteners for the work surface, drill to tighten these, the larger drill is to drill the fastener holes, screwdrivers, the plate that goes on the wall, and the arm that hangs on the TV. And the process is pretty simple. We're going to take these arms, mount them on the television, and then I'm going to mount this plate on the wall, and the TV is going to hang on the plate. And we just need to put the arms on the television. I prefer to do this with a screwdriver. You know, some guys use power tools, but me, I've always felt more comfortable doing this just with hand tools. And we just need to tighten these guys down. There you go. Okay, so we've got the arms on our television. We need to mount our backing plate on the wall. And to get a measurement, we need a measuring tape, backer plate, stud finder, very important, level, and our pencil. Oop, come here, pencil. Okay, so it's not going to hurt the TV to lay this stuff on it. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clip the backer plate onto the television. And the way I like to do it is I'm going to measure the difference between the bottom of the plate and the bottom of the television. In this case, it's almost exactly 10 inches. We determined earlier today that the bottom of our television is going to be about 56 inches from the bottom of the floor. So now we need our level, pencil, stud finder. All right, so we've determined the center of our wall is about right here. And then we're going to go up. These numbers are very round, so it's very easy to remember, but 56 is going to be the bottom of our television. So the bottom of our bracket is going to be 66, and I've already made a mark for the bottom of the bracket. Next thing we need to do is we need to find our studs, and that's pretty simple. There we go, we got the all clear light. There's the edge of one. And there's the other edge. Now I'm just going to mark the center of the stud, and you'll see why I'm doing that in a minute. And there's the edge of the other one. And we're going to go back this side now. It's not the stud I want. And there's the other one right there. Again, I'm going to mark the center of that. Now, what I'm going to do, because this bracket, the backing plate is so heavy, so I'm just going to bring my line down so that when I draw the line from and obviously I'm making sure these are level constantly, is I'm going to then use this to determine which set of holes I'm going to use on the back of that mount. Some installers will put blue tape on the wall. My opinion is the TV's going to hide it anyway, so I'm not too worried about that. We got our mount. It does have an up and a down, and I almost had it upside down. There we go. You may want to have another person assist you doing this. I've done this a couple times, so I don't feel any discomfort doing this on my own. It just takes a minute to level it out because it's a little heavy. And again, I'm just marking my pilot hole, my holes for where my bolts are going to go, and then I'm pulling it down. And that's about it. So we've got our arms on our television, we've got the dimension for our television and our backer plate, and now we've got to drill some holes to mount our fasteners. So the first thing I'm going to do is drill my pilot holes, make sure that everything's good, which I'm sure it is. Yep, good. Yep, like how that feels. There we go. One more. And then, since those are just our pilots, we need to open these up. And for the fasteners I'm using today, they require a 1/2-inch hole. So, there's our 1/2-inch drill bit. we go. And those are our holes. All right, next thing we've got to do is put our fasteners in, and we have special fasteners for the wall that we're mounting them on. And I would, always encourage you to use the appropriate fasteners for the work surface that you're mounting to. And again, I've been doing this for over 10 years and have hung 20,000 TVs, I don't really know. I feel very comfortable using these. If you don't, use another fastener. Nope, you need the bracket. This is a little heavy. And there we go. One's in. Two's in. Three's in. And four's in. And I prefer to use an impact driver, which is a little loud. And we're going to check for level. That's pretty good. I'm going to raise this side. I'd feel a little happier if that side were raised a little bit. And again, this is what the impact driver is nice for, because it really snugs stuff up good. There we go, and we're dead level. And the last step, obviously, we've got the plate on the wall, we got the arms on the TV, we've got to hang the TV. And this is our last step. I would highly recommend you get somebody else to help you do this part, but you don't have to. There. There we go. TV on the wall.